So we're starting over again. I'm not sure if this is playing properly or not. I'm just kind of giving a scan of the different things that are in the greenhouse. You see the tomatoes here. We've got peppers out. It's heated by Christmas tree bulbs. Bubble wrap, as much of the large cell as I could find, and then a little bit of small cell. The greenhouse really isn't so big. I think it's 7 feet long and 6 feet wide. We've got a lot of cherry tomatoes in here. We've got some celebrity tomatoes, including the ones that are ripening in the greenhouse. We've got a bunch of habaneros, which were essential to bring in so they could ripen. I've got the water barrel in the corner because it was all full and too heavy to take out. Also the fan. The little oil heater that I picked up at Big Lots. And so that is the end of it here. We will stop and we will see what we get.